Imagine a world where we could prevent cancer before it even starts. Thanks to the HPV vaccine, this is not just a dream, it's a reality for millions. Here's why you should know about it. Number 1. What is the HPV vaccine, and what does it protect against? The HPV vaccine protects against certain strains of the human papillomavirus, HPV, which can cause cervical cancer, other anogenital cancers, and genital warts. Some vaccines also protect against throat cancers linked to HPV. Number 2. Who should get the HPV vaccine? Not everyone needs the HPV vaccine, but it is recommended for preteens, ages 11 to 12, as it provides the best protection before potential exposure to the virus. Catch-up vaccination is suggested for individuals up to age 26 who missed the earlier doses. Adults aged 27 to 45 may benefit, depending on factors like sexual activity or health conditions. Number 3. What factors are considered for HPV vaccination? Key factors considered for HPV vaccination include age, risk of exposure, and any underlying health conditions that might increase vulnerability to HPV-related cancers. It's best to consult a healthcare provider to determine individual need. Vaccinating both males and females helps prevent HPV-related cancers and genital warts and reduces virus transmission. Number 4. How many doses of the HPV vaccine are needed? The number of HPV vaccine doses depends on the age at which vaccination starts. 2 doses are needed if the first dose is given before the 15th birthday, with at least 6 months gap between doses. 3 doses are required if the first dose is given at age 15 or older or for individuals with certain immunocompromising conditions. Number 5. Is the HPV vaccine safe? Yes, the HPV vaccine is very safe. It has undergone extensive testing in clinical trials and is continuously monitored for safety. Side effects are usually mild, including pain at the injection site, fever or headache. Number 6. Does the HPV vaccine cause infertility? No, there is no evidence that the HPV vaccine causes infertility. On the contrary, by preventing HPV-related cancers, it protects reproductive health. Number 7. Do vaccinated individuals still need cervical cancer screening? Yes, vaccinated individuals should still undergo regular cervical cancer screening, e.g., pap smears, because the vaccine does not protect against all cancer-causing HPV types. Number 8. Can the HPV vaccine be given during pregnancy? The HPV vaccine is not recommended during pregnancy as a precautionary measure, although there is no evidence that it harms the fetus. If a woman becomes pregnant after starting the vaccination, the remaining doses can be given after delivery. Number 9. Should boys or men also receive the HPV vaccine? Yes, boys and men should get the HPV vaccine. It protects them from genital warts and cancers caused by HPV, including anal, penile, and throat cancers. Vaccinating boys also reduces the overall transmission of HPV. Number 10. How effective is the HPV vaccine? The vaccine is highly effective in preventing infections with the HPV types it targets, particularly when given before exposure to the virus. Effectiveness in preventing cervical and other cancers has been well documented. Number 11. How long does the protection from the HPV vaccine last? The HPV vaccine provides long-lasting protection, with studies showing immunity remains strong for at least 10 to 15 years after vaccination. Current evidence suggests no signs of waning protection, and ongoing research continues to monitor its long-term effectiveness. Number 12. Are there any groups who should not get the HPV vaccine? The vaccine is not recommended during pregnancy as a precaution because there is limited research on its safety during pregnancy. Although studies have not shown any harm to the mother or fetus. HPV vaccination is also not recommended for anyone who is allergic to vaccine components and have experienced a life-threatening allergic reaction to a previous dose. Vaccination of severely ill individuals should be postponed until recovery. Number 13. How much does the HPV vaccine cost, and is it covered by insurance? The cost varies by region and healthcare system. Many insurance plans cover the HPV vaccine and public health programs may offer it for free or at a reduced cost in some countries. Number 14. Can individuals already infected with HPV benefit from the vaccine? Yes, while the vaccine does not treat existing HPV infections, but it can protect against other HPV types the individual has not yet been exposed to. Number 15. Where can I get the HPV vaccine? The HPV vaccine is available at healthcare clinics, pediatrician offices, gynecology clinics and some pharmacies. Check with local health authorities for specific details. Number 16. What is the currently available HPV vaccine in the market? Currently, the most widely used HPV vaccine is Gardasil 9, which protects against 9 strains of HPV, including those responsible for most cases of cervical, anal and other cancers, as well as genital warts. It covers HPV types 6, 11, 16, 18, 31, 33, 45, 52, and 58. Gardasil 9 is recommended for both males and females and is typically given in a series of 2 or 3 doses, depending on age. This vaccine is safe, effective and has been shown to significantly reduce the risk of HPV-related cancers. Together, we can prevent HPV-related cancers and protect future generations. Spread the word by liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more such impactful content.